presentation was given by Mr. Graham Roshan, who is the project manager of Grace. He presented it in the Netherlands, and we are just representing it over here. We are trying to build Twitter in 40 minutes. Just a quick introduction from Vivek.
Hi guys, we will basically be using 3 plugins and minimal set of lines of code to build Twitter. Let's start with the demo then.
For it, we'll be just running it. First of all, we have just created it inside the OSS folder. The create app command you have seen in the last presentation. Aman and Himanshu were talking about that. We have just created the Grace create app. This is the Twitter clone that we just created. So in order to have Twitter people, it will basically provide us with the functionality of that will allow people to register themselves into the Twitter, create their account. We will be able to secure certain URLs, like what world do we want to the people to have, like they can't post their messages without logging into the system. This plugin will let us do all. Desktop. Wait, desktop. It's on the desktop. Then a login logout mechanism and the registration mechanism. Right. Generate manager of all domains and the registration. First of all, we will be creating the domains. It will provide us with 3 domains: person, authority, and the request map. Generate manager. This plugin, authority, person, and the request map. Now we will just create the respective controllers for the same. Generate manager. And now the registration mechanism for the application. These are the 2 basic plugins that we really need to get it working. That's why it was showing us that unknown host exception, because internet is not available. So we can just copy those 2 things. Works this time. Yes. Now just run this application. Up with the login mechanism, registration mechanism, and creating the roles, securing the URLs. First of all, let's update the data source so that we can have our records intact. Otherwise, it will refresh the database again and again. File. Single line of code till now, and the captcha is also there. Not the application up and running, but in Twitter, what we used to have a person who is having different statuses at all the time. He is posting up the messages. So in order to map that thing, we are creating a domain class named status, which will be storing the person, the status, and maybe the date on which the message was posted. Person can have many messages, or the person will be following the person. If you are putting certain validations that the message can't be blank and its size should be between 1 to 140. That's what the convention of Twitter is. We have a concept of people following people in Twitter. What we are basically doing here, we will be just creating a has many relationship from person to it will be a circular has many relationship. Yeah. To create a mechanism that will store the messages and show it to the user. So we are creating a controller for the same, and then we'll just saving the status and rendering it on a view. You can just create a file index.jsp. Basically asking you to enter your messages and showing them on the same page. Will basically post a message and the call is going asynchronously. All the messages that have been posted by the user in the past. Registration mechanism with a very pretty easy captcha that can be hacked, and we are able to store messages and display them on the page, and just rendering them. We will just show all the messages that has been posted by the user in the past and ask him to enter more messages if you want to. As we don't have much of the time because there is another video conferencing starting in 15 minutes. So what we are doing, we've already created the app. We are showing that, running it to you. That is having all the caching mechanism, the JMS thing, and all. We'll show the code as well. All we need to do is register over here with certain usernames. The searching and following mechanism over here. As we are running out of time, that's why we are just doing it in the way we have done it. Posted over there. Now we can add another user and start following him. We don't have any username to wait. So all we need to do is just add that user. Now we can start following Vivek, and all the messages that he will post will be displayed on my screen, and if he starts following me, then my message will be displayed on his screen. Now Vivek can start following me, and my message will be updated over here, and I will get all his messages. All we need to do is just refresh the screen. Following him, and I'm getting his messages as well. So this is a running app basically in which you can find people, you can register yourself, you can start following him, you will get their messages. We have the Twitter cache enabled that will allow us to increase the performance. We have the JMS and the ActiveMQ thing over here, and the basic running app. Some more comments by Vivek.
This was a presentation which was supposed to take 40 minutes, we got around 20 minutes maybe. So this is all we could do. We could have done more in 40 minutes. We just needed to install 2 more plugins and we were done almost.
First time we would have created it right from the scratch. Pull up things like adding the caching mechanism, injecting certain beans and all. Real stats. These are the total line of codes, and most of them, around 700 in the controllers, are just auto-generated just to show the view. If you would have set the property depth scaffold equal to true, even that would have been gone. So in around 200 lines, you can build Twitter in Grails with the help of all plugins. That's all from our side.